So now I finally got my DIY voltage booster, somewhat practical. So of course we got to give really rapid signals to do so. I was doing a push button switch, way too slow, but there we go. We got 5 series LEDs, and they need close to 15 volts to light up brightly. And we did not get 15 volts. We got up to 14 volts right there. That's 2 volts per division. And so that was with a 0.22 microfarad capacitor right there. Gotta turn the power off when you do this. If something goes wrong, you can get runaway voltage. But in any case, we're gonna swap that for a 0.01 microfarad capacitor. Now when I hit the buttons, you can see the LEDs are really bright. Voltage shot up, and we will switch this to 5 volts per division. We got 5, 10, 15, looks like 17 or 18 volts. So now, power is off. We got 5 volts at the rail. When I turn the power on, we got over 15 volts there, lighting the LEDs. I'll turn them off, and just to see how much voltage we got, each division there is 5 volts, 5, 10, 15, and maybe that's 18 volts right there. Of course, when I cut power, the capacitor is going to discharge its way back to about 5 volts. But now, the power is off. Earlier, I had these lit up, and a different circuit. But in case, when I plucked this out, that LED also went flying out. So there was no discharge path for the capacitor. And so after a while, I finally got the LED back in place. They got really bright for a brief period of time and then dimmed down, and it wasn't wired as well as this. But in any case, this capacitor most definitely probably overcharged, but maybe not. Maybe it leaked through, maybe it damaged it or whatever. But in any case, be careful. Make sure there's always a voltage limiting factor with this capacitor.